Good morning all. Today discuss about the last topic of this chapter, psychology and sports. This is called as aggressions. Aggression in sports. Everybody knows that nowadays the players are showing their aggressiveness in the games and field. There are the a type of aggression. So going to discuss on this one. Aggression is a first first of all discuss about the definition of the aggression. Aggression is the behavior with a goal, harming and injuring another, being motivated to avoid such treatment. And then this definition raises certain point. The aggression is behavior, thinking negative thought, being angry is not aggressions. Aggression is intentional behavior. Accidental harm is not aggression. Aggression involves harm or injury. Aggression involves living beings. So this is for the definitions raised nowadays for aggressions. Now we're going to discuss next one, that topic, types of aggressions in sports. Now we are that habituated, or we are seen in the games and sports, this type of aggression. One is hostile aggressions, one is instrumental aggression, one is assertive behavior aggression. So first we'll discuss about what is hostile aggression. Hostile aggression is inflicting or causing harm where it physical or psychological on someone else. Again I repeat, hostile aggression is inflicting or causing harm where it's physical or psychological for someone else. For example, I'm giving that is for the hostile aggression is a bowler throwing a bouncer in delivery to shake up the concentration of a batsman. Some cricketers have deliberately done this in the past with the intent towards causing injuries. Okay, so this is for the first hostile injuries. Again I repeat. So this means that inflicting or causing harm where it physical or psychological to someone else. So this bowler inflicting their causing harm or physical or psychologically for delivering their bouncer or the batsman, okay, on the batsman, right? Next one is instrumental aggression. Instrumental aggressions is displaying aggressive behavior, and it's not accompanied by anger. This is called the displaying the aggressive behavior but is not accompanied the anger. For example, this one, for example, I'm talking about the rugby players using aggressions to tackle his opponent to win the ball. Actually, the player is not using his aggression to hurt the opponent, but rather to win the ball back. So this is called the instrumental aggression. This means that so player should tackle the opponent to win the ball, not for the hurting. Okay, so that's type of aggression is called instrumental aggressions. Okay, next one is assertive aggression. Assertive aggression definition is behavior that involves the use of legitimate uh, legitimate physical or verbal force to achieve one's purpose. Okay, so for example, the sledging in cricketer to cause psychologically discomfort for the batsman. For an act to be assertive, it must be goal directed with on specific intention to harm with the use of legitimate force with no rules broken. So assertive behavior is mainly depends on the psychologically is on the batsman or player, whatever is there. So there is main thing is that goal directly with no specific intention to harm with the use of legitimate force or verbal force, okay, with no rules broken. And any physical injuries that may occur through assertive behavior in accidental or uh, unintentional. So this is called the assertive behavior. In fact, this assertive behavior is related to four main criteria, that is goal oriented, not intention to harm. Again I repeat, goal oriented, not intent to harm, uses only legitimate force and does not break any rules of the games and sports. Even when coaches say that their players to be aggressive, they mean to say that they are assertive. Okay, so this is called the aggressive behavior in the sports. Nowadays we are following this type of aggressions in the games and sports. Okay, so today's up to this much. So after that I'm sending few example of video. uh, so have a look this one. Okay, so if you having any doubts, anything, you can ask with us. Okay.